Hi, everybody. Just a few technical issues and trying to write on the pages that I have. So anyhow, we're going to do it this way through an entry creation, and I'll create a link for you. But on today's page 182, it has a mark for you, right here, and it says 0 degrees. And we know that a full circle is also 360 degrees. So I've asked you to make like a clock. So we know that this would be 12 o'clock. 90 degrees away, we'll make our center point, is 3 o'clock. Then 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and then 12 o'clock again. So I want you to think, how many degrees is it from 12 o'clock, I guess, to 3 o'clock? And you can see that's 90 degrees. So when I add in 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, 7, 8, 10, and 11. When I add all those in, I can see that here with 90 degrees, I now have 1, 2, 3 hops to get to 90 degrees. If I do 90 degrees in 1, 2, 3 hops, then how many degrees is it from 12 to 1? Well, it's 30 degrees. Oops. So, if I kind of zoom in on this clock here and see that this is my 12 o'clock, and here's my 1 o'clock, and I know that from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, you all said was 30 degrees. Now, in between my 12 and my 1, I have how many hops? Well, look at it. Go. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hops. That's 5 hops to get to 30 degrees. So that means 5 times something is 30 degrees. Let's see if you can work it out.